हॅलो काका, आय होप यू आर एबल टू सी दिस. ओके, आता जे झालंय ना, इट्स वन ऑफ व्हेरी कॉमन, इट्स अन टेंडन इंजरी बेसिकली. इट्स ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज टेनोसायनोव्हायटिस अँड इट्स ऑलमोस्ट हॅपनिंग टू एव्हरी वन. बिकॉज काय होतं, इट्स लॉट ऑफ ग्रिपिंग ॲक्टिव्हिटीज अँड देन continuous working, and then if by chance you've lifted some heavy weight unknowingly, so immediately the pain doesn't come. The pain gradually develops later on. So there are a lot of causes, and if at all you have I don't know, arthritis ka problem, like rheumatoid arthritis, and like maybe sometimes your uric acid level must have shot up, and you know, if you have some diabetes. So there are a lot of factors generally which tries to trigger, which are main cause, but mostly it is mechanical, like what happens when you are continuously gripping activities. So basically what happens is, the locking that you're talking about. So I'll just tell you, either it can affect your thumb, either it can affect any of your finger, because it's basically a tendon injury, and all these here, it's all tendons that are inside. So this is called as your flexor tendons. So here is your flexor muscles. So generally what happens is, the muscles will be bifurcating into tendon. Okay, and this bifurcation happens from here through a very thin band here, that's called as your flexor retinaculum. Okay, so what happens is, the muscles force. Now suddenly when we try to keep doing these movements or gripping activities, the flexor muscles, now they're very strong. Okay, so what they do is, they try to sometimes unknowingly load more of tendon, load more force into the tendon. And the tendon, they are thin, they are not as much as your muscles. They are not able to take that load. Okay, so when they're not able to take that load, there develops pain. And sometimes what happens is that you start seeing constriction here. So there is constriction that takes place under this thin band, okay, due to too much of force. And then the tendon is not able to work sufficiently, like these movements, okay, it's not able to happen properly. And now, since the flexor muscles and tendons force is too much, the extensor muscles, that is your back of your hand, they don't have so much of power to extend the finger. So what happens is, it is getting locked and it is not able to straighten up. So you have to passively take the help of your other finger and take it up, because the extensor, this is also the tendon. Here also your extensor muscles, and then they bifurcate into tendons. So these tendons are not strong enough to take the load of your flexor muscles. Okay, so there will be constriction here, and generally what happens is, there will be like this bulge nodule type you can appear. Now if you try to, now I don't know what's your what is that position of your finger, like what is the state, whether you have swelling or whether you don't have. Sometimes you start getting nodule here. So these nodules become very they get stuck in between these moments. They are not able to glide properly. So these nodules, once these nodules starts disappearing, then your movement starts gradually improving. So that's how it becomes. So basically that nodule can develop anywhere, like either your thumb, your base of your thumb, or your index finger, any of the fingers, because basically this is your tendon. Okay, so I first want to know whether you have that nodule, or it's just pain, or it's just swelling or whatsoever. And this is self healing. I mean, just 3 to 4 weeks में रहे जाते हैं. So okay, this is you don't have to do much with this. And if it is like, beyond kaitri hai, and it is too much of pain, and it is like really horrible, and conservative methods ni treat hoy na, then you opt for surgery, but which is not, it's a very last process. We don't have to go through that. So why you're experiencing the pain in the morning is because generally our आपलं हात rested असते. So okay, there's no much movement. So when I wake up, so there's already stiffness. So when I wake up, you have early morning stiffness, and because of stiffness, you're not able to do those movements properly. Okay, and then it is usually stuck in this position. You have to take the help of the other finger and then extend. So generally, हे सकाळचंच होते. The stiffness and the pain is more in the morning. Gradually, as the day progresses, because we tend to do these movements most of the day we generally do these movements. So throughout the day, it is generally reducing, but it's too much in the morning. Okay, so what you were doing, this is, I think you were doing these exercises. So you can continue to do this one exercise. Try to lift each finger from the first. Spread your fingers like this, keep it on a table, okay, and try to do each finger, try to lift, okay, sorry, one by one you need to do that. Need to spread your fingers and then try to take it above, or whichever finger is affected you can just do with that. Okay, this some 20 times you need to do this, morning, afternoon, evening, whatever. If you do, the more times you do it, it's better for you. Like they say, for example, 10 10 10, so like 30 to 40 repetitions you're doing in a day. This is very simple. Okay. Secondly, what happens, if you have swelling, if at all you have, if you don't have, don't bother. If you have swelling, okay, just see your trigger point, tender, wherever your there's pain, right, this tender point. So take ice cube and try to slowly do circular massage on it, like 2 to 3 minutes you can do, whichever finger is affected now. Just circular, just do some massage of ice cube. This you can do some 2 to 3 times in a day for 3 to 4 minutes. This is only if you have swelling. Okay, even if you have pain once, you can just try to do it and see how it goes. Then what I want you to do is try to immerse your fingers in hot water. Okay, and do these movements. Okay, now this is a combined movement, but what I want you to do is every joint movement, this is all called as a metacarpal joint. So what I want you to do is do these movements as much as you can. Though this will be in this state, as much as you are able to, try to do these movements. Okay, but you have to immerse it in your hot water, your mug, and then just try to do these movements. Then next is do these. Okay, this for like 20 times, and then do these movements. Spread your fingers and then gather to it. Spread and then take it. Spread and then take it. All this is immersed, okay? Immerse in hot water and then try to do these movements as much as you can. This you can do for 5 minutes. You will really find very good relief with this. Please do this. Start doing this as soon as possible. And second, what happens is, now suppose this is my finger, okay, index finger is affected. Okay, now this is not possible. Just try to do these exercises as much as you can, pain-free range. Then now say for example, I'm able to take it here. Try to bend as much as you can take the help of your other finger, and then try to extend and bend again as much as you can. First, do it actively as you are able to. Only if you're not able to do it, suppose it's getting stuck here, you're not able to do it further, try to extend it with your other finger. So these movements you need to do, okay, as much as you can. I will suggest first do it actively, because what happens is when you start doing actively, the tendon starts stretching, and that is what we need, because it is getting stuck and it's not, the gliding movements is not happening sufficiently. So with this what happens, actively जितना हो पा रहा है उतना I am able to stretch it. अभी इधर stuck हो रहा है, I am not able to go beyond. That's when you take the help of your other finger and then extend it as much as you can. Okay, and then stretch, overstretch करो, hold it for like 1 or 2 seconds and then get it back to the position. Again, take it behind. Okay, suppose this is my position. Try to overstretch. If 2-3 degrees भी हुआ तो ठीक है. Try to overstretch. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again take it to the starting position. फिर से stretch करो. Hold it for 5 seconds and then get back to the starting position. If you're not able to hold for 5 seconds, start with 2 to 3 seconds. Gradually you will be able to, because क्या रहता है, pain, you will have pain initially, so you won't be able to hold in that position. So first start off with 2 to 3 seconds, then you can gradually progress to 5 seconds. ठीक है? So this is the moment. Overstretch करने का and then छोड़ने का. Then is what you do is rubber band. I don't have a rubber band. Rubber band, you just take a rubber band, okay, and then try to extend as much as you can. So here what's happening is I'm trying to strengthen that tendon. इतना तक जा रहा है तो भी ठीक है. There is no harm. Okay, even if it's getting stuck here, because it's locked, right? So you won't be able to expect. I can't expect this movement from you. So rubber band, just hold a rubber band and then try to stretch. इतना तक हो रहा है तो भी चलेगा. Take it back and then stretch it and then get it. Stretch it, फिर get it. Here what is happening is I am trying to, along with stretching, now I am trying to strengthen those tendons. Okay, once I am strengthening those tendons, they are becoming strong to act in a particular direction and the movement also will be easy. So pain free range जितना हो पा रहा है उतना take it. Sorry, I don't have a rubber band. I'll show you once I get it. Okay, so take it, hold it and then leave it. You just have to tie a rubber band here and try to strengthen this. जितना हो पा रहा है उतना you try to do. Okay, then next is see, if you have this smiley ball now, hold it in this position. Okay, and try to press as much as you can. Okay, and then leave it. Press it and leave it. So this is basically your grip strengthening. So every finger you need to press as much as you can and then release it. Okay, first 10 times you just have to do these movements. Second, what you do, press it, hold it for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then leave it. Press it, hold it for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then leave it. Okay, so बाबू जरा बाहेर जा. मी व्हिडिओ करेल. काय झालं? सॉरी हा काका, ते विहान आलेला आहात. हां, सो where was I? हां, सो बॉलचं ते ग्रिप करून होल्ड इट फॉर 5 काउंट्स अँड देन रिलीज इट. ओके, इज द बॉल. हां, सो फर्स्ट वॉज ओनली दिस. 10 टाइम्स जितकं होईल तेवढं प्रेस करायचं आणि सोडायचं. सेकंड काय करायचं, प्रेस इट, होल्ड इट फॉर 3 to 5 काउंट्स. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and release it. Press it, hold it for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 आणि रिलीज करायचं. That's it. This you can do 10 times. First 10 times फक्त हे movements. Second is press करायचं, hold it for 3 to 5 seconds and then leave it. This is another 10 repetitions. Okay, so first one was your, and then try to do these movements as much as possible. Pain free range. Okay, don't worry if it is not able to gain the complete range, but just try to do these movements as much as you can. The more you do, the more gliding movements will improve hona. Okay, the more it will be better. So I want you to do these movements continuous, and then this, and then this. So 10 repetitions of all of this and then lifting each finger. Try to lift as much as you can. This was one. Then spread your fingers and try to get it back to the original position. Okay, then the other was immerse your hand in the hot water, okay, lukewarm water, and do these movements. That is this moment, and this moment. 10 times. Okay, 10 repetition each, at least for 5 minutes. Try to do it when you wake up or when you're going to have bath. Now just immerse it in hot water and then do this. Then third is, if at all you have swelling, try to take an ice cube. If this is your tender pain, whichever. So just try to massage slowly in a circular manner for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, next is, suppose here you have your nodule. Okay, just try to do, now what I'm doing is with my thumb I'm just trying to do these gentle movements. Okay, this I'm just doing this position to show you, but basically you have to do it in this position. Okay, keep your hands rested. I'm holding it like this way, and suppose here is my nodule. Gentle, this is one of your soft tissue mobilization. I'm just trying to mobilize that tendon a bit, not pressing it too hard, okay, else you will have more pain. Just gradually thoda press karna hai and then try to move it. This you can do it for 10 times. Slowly move it, it shouldn't hurt you also. Okay, and next is, in this position, hold your wrist in the neutral position. Try to extend, and then overstretch. Take the help of your other finger, try to overstretch as much as possible, and then leave it. Passively try to overstretch as much as possible, and then take it to the starting position. Okay, this you're supposed to do. Next is your rubber band. Okay, just wound and rubber band around your fingers, and then stretch it as much as you can. This you're supposed to do for 10 repetitions. Next comes your ball. Try to grip for 10 times. Then press it and hold it for 3 to 4 counts, and then release. This again your 10 repetitions each. And then what you can do is, if you have a napkin or a towel whatsoever, now I'm just taking my shirt. Okay, you take a napkin or a towel, just keep it, and suppose this is my finger. Okay, I'm trying to grip as much as I can. Okay, I'm just trying to grip it. So this will be spread like this, and I'm trying to just grip as much as I can with the help of this finger. So with this I'm trying to strengthen my tendon. Okay, this for 10 repetitions you can do this. So all these exercises are very effective. It's good if you do it 3 to 4 times a day. That is 10 repetitions each. That will come up to 40 to 50 repetitions in a day. So if you do this, you will start finding the difference. You should be fine in 3 to 4 days, but it will take some time to heal, at least 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, but I'm sure it will gradually go on healing, and it will release. So, and just please get your vital check. That's your diabetes and your arthritis and your gout. So these are the factors that gets added also to it. Okay, try to do it as much as possible and let me know how it is.